Hello, very friends. I am Andrea Cavalcanti from Love It by Andrea, and today I am gonna show you all the products that I chose for my winter FabFitFun box. So let me start saying that this was my let's make a noise here. This was my least favorite FabFitFun box ever, because it was not that I didn't like the products, it was basically there was nothing interesting, you know, like something that I was like,
oh my gosh, I need to get this,
like the other boxes, you know, like. And this time it was throughout all the customizations. So let's go back to the box. I also added some add-on that I am gonna show you at the end of this video. Let's start by the box itself, and also I paid for extra products on the customizations, even though I told you that it was not exciting, but I'm gonna explain to you why I chose to do that. Okay, so here is the box with winter theme. Cute. So inside the box it comes the magazine and some coupons, and this time came some stickers. So I chose this unhide blanket. It's a blanket, a throw, you know, something like that. Let's open here. So I chose this kind of lavender, no, rose. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is so soft. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it seems pretty warm, so I chose this one. I like it. So the second product that I got here is this milk frother. Hopefully I am pronouncing it right, but I got it just to make my lattes more exciting, you know what I mean. I love my lattes, my almond milk latte, so I remove it from the box. So it comes like with berries. Came the frother. So I will be preparing my very special lattes with this one. Another product that I chose, it was this face mask, the cranberry and apple probiotic repair. It comes 3 face masks. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yes. So hopefully this one is gonna not smell that good, but also do like some magic. Another one that I paid for, it was this set. This is a 4-piece silicone set that I like it, and I said, okay, I'm gonna get it. Let's see if it's gonna be a disappointment or not. Okay, the handle seems like sturdy, but let's see the silicone. Oh, just how I like it. Very sturdy. See, it's not that flimsy, you know. I like it. Seems like good quality. Ooh. This one, I chose the Bite Beauty Power Move Soft Matte Lipstick. I have an experience with Bite Beauty lipsticks, and let me tell you that they are very soft lipsticks, and I love it. So, and this is the shade that I chose. Let me see, the name of the shade is Sugar Buns. Let me do a swatch. See? It's gorgeous. I like it. I chose this one because my vitamin C serum is almost at the end, so I got this one from Summer Fridays, the CC Me serum. So it's a vitamin C serum, and to try it, so like this, I will update you on my Instagram. So there I post products reviews, so if you don't want to miss it, please just give me a follow there and you're gonna be on the loop. Woo! This product, when I saw it, it was the product that made me think like, oh my gosh, this box is gonna be worth it, okay? Because this is one of the products that I got to know through FabFitFun in one of the, I think it was one of my first boxes, and I really love this face cleanser from Tula. That is the probiotics and superfoods face cleanser, and is the one that really leaves your skin hydrated afterwards. Oh my gosh, this one is amazing. So this was the product that I said, okay, this box is not a waste. It's worth it. Okay, so this was the product that kind of changed my mind about this winter box. So this product here, I love it. Now it comes down to the two other products that I paid extra on the customizations, okay? So the next one, so it was the Retinol Serum 8 Plus from Sunday Riley. So I chose this one because also my retinol face serum, so I'm almost emptying the bottle, so I chose this one. And this next one, I also paid extra, as I told you guys. Hopefully it's not broken. Let me see here. It's a bowl set. I don't know, I have this kind about bowls and blankets. So I think that my husband, he's gonna get a divorce. Oh my gosh, the box is huge for this bowl set, but I thought that it was so cute for dippings, you know, for sauce, well, anything that you want to put like on the table. So I thought that it was very chic. And now comes to the last two products that I chose on the ads on. Let me explain about why I chose this set of 3 nail polishes from La Cour. I think I pronounced it right, but anyways, last year I had a rash on my neck. The way that it came, it disappeared at the beginning of this year. I think it was February, March. I had it again and it wasn't going away. Then my sister-in-law told me that maybe it was an allergy of nail polishes, those normal nail polishes out there. So I removed what I had of nail polishes. I spent like 2 weeks without any nail polishes, and I started trying the clean ones. The clean ones means that they don't have certain chemicals. So La Cour is one of them, and they have a really good quality. And another thing is that when I started trying it, I started noticing that my nails, they become more stronger, more even like beautiful and clear. Okay, so it takes time for your nails to heal. Sometimes it takes about 6 to 8 months. It depends like how fast your nails grow. So the faster they grow, the faster they are gonna heal, because like all that, you need to have like your whole nail off, you know what I mean? You need to have like new nail coming in, so it takes time, okay? And also for your body to adjust, to get rid of all of that chemicals that was on your system, damaging your nails, okay? So I chose this set here that I thought that the shades, they were like really suitable for winter. So it came like this beautiful shade, and then this lavender that is also I hate. So I already like did my nails last night. So this shade here that I am wearing, it's a kind of a lavender, and this is sparkling here, this silver tone. And the last product, it was a sunglasses from BCBG. So it was this one here. I like it. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, fancy. So I am gonna finish this video wearing my BCBG sunglasses. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to share this video with your friends, okay? See you next time. Bye.